We have more chemical elements names and chemical symbols, and this is one that's more famous. Uh, we all heard of Wonder Woman, capital WONDER, capital WOMAN, Wonder Woman. If you watch the superheroes, movies and cartoons and TV shows, TV program, you hear Wonder Woman. We all know about Wonder Woman, right? And so we're gonna use that famous woman's name or her title to break down the chemical symbols and a chemical element's name. Let's start with W. Capital W. Capital W is the chemical symbol for the element's name of tungsten. Don't confuse W with anything else. W, the atomic symbol W, will fool people. They think that the chemical symbol for W will have the W as the beginning of the chemical name of the element, but that's not true. Here we have a T here, so don't confuse yourself. So we got capital W as the chemical symbol, and we got tungsten for the chemical element's name. Capital TUNGSTEN. It's foreign. It's a foreign name. So that's why you see that the symbol is different. So W is the chemical symbol for tungsten. Then we got O, capital O. See right here? Capital O right there. And that's for oxygen. So you got the chemical symbol is capital O, and the chemical element's name is oxygen. Capital OXYGEN. Then we got the N. Then we got the N and the D. The N and the D. We're going to capitalize the N and still use the small case D. So we got capital N and a small D for neodymium. So neodymium, some people pronounce it diamond, neodymium, and some pronounce it neodymium. All depends on how you want to pronounce it. People pronounce these chemical these names in different ways. Okay, everybody think they're right, but you know. So capital N and small d is neodymium or damium. Capital NEODYMIUM. Now, as you see here, you got WOND, WOND so far. Then we got the ER, so we're going to capitalize the E and keep the small r. Okay, and we got the chemical symbol capital E with a small r, and the chemical name of the element is erbium. Erbium, capital ERBIUM. So now we got wonder. So that's wonder. Then we're going to go for woman. We know that woman starts with a capital W, and you know the capital W is for tungsten. See here, tungsten. See here, tungsten. So capital W is a chemical symbol for the chemical element's name of tungsten. Capital TUNGSTEN. Okay, and with capital O in woman, right here in woman, is for oxygen. So the chemical element's name is oxygen. Capital OXYGEN. Now, if you see here, MAN is for man, woman. But what I did here, I crossed out the A. Okay, and that will give me MN for manganese. Okay, because if you say woman, you still the WN still give you the sound men. So woman, you still get the sound of woman. So I can cross out the A. So woman. So I got tungsten, we got oxygen. Now we got capital M and the N and the small n as the chemical symbol for the chemical element's name of manganese. Capital MAN. G-A-N-E-S-E. So it's manganese. Manganese. M-A-N-G-A-N-E-S-E. Ganese. Manganese. So capital M and a small n. So what I did here, how did I get the capital M and a small n? I took out the A of the woman because capital M and a small n retains the min sound. So we got Wonder Woman. And here you go, you got all these elements. Okay, now, that's how it's done. Okay? We're going to look at the periodic table of elements. This is the periodic table of elements right here. This is the periodic table of elements. If you see all the letters, those numbers, they are all chemical symbols. Okay? We know that Ca, right there, number 20. See number 20 right there? Number 20, capital Ca, that's for calcium. We know that. We study that. We know that because we study that. We know that H is for hydrogen. We know that that OS. Let me see if I can get a pen. I have to hold this up. Let me get a. Let's see. And we know that OS is 76 right here. Follow my pen. I'm holding the book up. See right here. Capital OS is for osmium. Osmium. Okay, we know that capital LR is for lawrencium. We know that because we studied. Here it is right here. Capital M, and N. Capital M and small n. That's for manganese. That's for manganese. Manganese, and that's number 25 atomic number. So you see, using that, so we know that capital M and a small n is for manganese. So we could take the A out of woman and put woman. And here we have Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. And all these chemical symbols, or like I just showed you, are in the table, the periodic table of elements. All right? Okay, over and out. Bye-bye.